Hello. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to help you relax and get back in the right mindset. Sit or lie down and close your eyes. Exhale completely and start to breathe in through your nose as deep as you can and exhale completely through your mouth. Once again, breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Find a comfortable breathing pattern. Focus on your breath. Think about the things that had a negative effect on your day. Now imagine that with each inhale, you are bringing in fresh air, energy, and positivity. And with each exhale, you're breathing out any negative thoughts and stress that are affecting you. Do this for a few seconds. Now, still breathing deeply, take a moment to visualize how you want the rest of your day to go. Imagine achieving any goals and successes at the end of the day and how that will make you feel. Create a mental picture of what that looks like and take a moment to play that out in your mind. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I wish you a great day.